morning, guys. We have made it in Lisbon. This is our first full day, and you can see we just made it to the elevator. There's a bit of a line, and we decided not to wait just because the viewpoint is temporarily closed, so there's no point in waiting if you can't really see a good view. I also heard there's other views you can see for free, so maybe we'll check that out later. It's €6 to go up and down the elevator, and it's like about 4 floors, so it's not that high. So yeah, we're just going to check out another point of interest. So let's go. Hey guys, we are at the next point of interest here, right down the street from the elevator. And this is the Arco de la Rua Augusta. It's the Arc of Augusta. See, it's beautiful craftsmanship up there at the top of the statues. And it's a beautiful square here as well. Still have the Christmas tree up. It's the day before New Year's Eve. There's also a stage. I think they're setting up. I'm not sure they're setting up or taking down. And you have the beautiful ocean right here in the backdrop. And all of the trolleys come through here as well. Got the electric ones, the old school trolleys here as well. So it's a good point of interest if you want to go to another place. Buses, everything you can pick up from this location. So it's perfect. So let's get a closer look at this statue here and a little bit of the ocean if we can. And it's right now it's about 9:30 in the morning on a Monday, and people are already out checking out the sights. A little cold out, so hopefully it warms up a little bit around noon or so. We have a whole day planned to try to see all of the sights here in Lisbon before heading tomorrow to see Sintra, which is like about 30-40 minutes away from Lisbon. Here's the beach a little bit up close, right across from the square over here. And you can see the 25th of April bridge in the background, maybe. Hope you guys can see that in the distance. And then you have the Jesus statue, which we're going to visit. That's probably like the last thing we'll visit on the way back, going to the Airbnb. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning out, very nice. That's not a beach that you want to swim in. The water doesn't look very clean at all, but definitely nice views. So let's head to the next spot. Hey guys, so we just made a 10-minute walk to the Cathedral of Lisbon. And it's supposedly open, but it's just a very long line right now and the doors are still closed. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but we're not going to make our way in. We're going to head to the next place, but we definitely want to get a view of this beautiful church here. Hey guys, we're at the famous shop to get a taste of Jardinia. So this place is very famous in Portugal, and it's right across from this beautiful square here in the middle as well. So we're gonna get a shot of this drink. It's kind of made up like, I think of like some sort of cherries, and it's an alcoholic drink. So we're gonna go in and have a taste, see what it tastes like. Very curious.
Conflito ou sem?
Conflito.
É justo. 1,55.
Cadê essa? Já foi mais, nem tivesse lá quantos anos.
Obrigado.
É? Já
So I got the shots. Let's taste it. Very, well, a little strong, but very, very sweet. And it has like the cherry fruit inside also. You want to try? What was that we had? That was a type of cachaça. Very sweet, yeah. It's not bad. It's €1.55, cash only. And you're going. You can buy a shot. You can buy a bottle. Different options, but I just want to try it just because it's famous. But it's not bad. It's not something I would particularly order at a restaurant or anything, but it's good to check out and try it for the first time. So it's made of fermented cherries, brandy, sugar. And this is the first store that actually sold this cocktail, this drink, and that's why it's very famous. Now let's see, I think it goes back to like 1800s. Yeah, there's no date on here, but I think it goes back like to the late 1800s, something like that. So now we are at the Cristo Rey statue, the Jesus statue here, right across the famous bridge of, what is it called, the 25th of April. This is actually Olivia's birthday. So there's €8 to go up for adults, but right now the line is over an hour wait, and we don't want to wait that long. So we're gonna just get some video and pictures from outside. But if you want, you can go all the way up to the top. You can see there, and you can see the beautiful views across the river and everything, which we would like to do, but we just don't have the time to do it. So, yep, let's just check it out from the outside here. So this was constructed around 1959, and the Jesus statue in Rio de Janeiro was constructed from 1922 to 1931. So Olivia was asking about that statue. I remember the guy on the tour said in Rio that it was a joint effort. It was like a few different people from different countries kind of came together for that. But I think the main engineers were like French and one Brazilian guy who made that one. But this is a very beautiful statue as well. I like the base that it's on. Too bad we can't get up there, but it looks like the line's not even moving. So I think they're on break, or there's some issue with the elevators or something like that, because the line has not moved since we've been here, and I haven't seen not one person look over the top. So not sure what's going on, but we still have really good views here of the city all the way around, so we still can enjoy that. Jin, vamos. Guys, we're enjoying this beautiful view as I'm drinking sangria, and you can also see the Jesus statue from here as well. So here, watching baby. Let's see, what's the name of this one? I keep forgetting. So now this is a Torre de Belém, which is right here. So that's where we're on our way to after we had this quick pit stop. And it's €5. And each time you come back, she said it's $1 less. Ah, this is good. It's a little bit warmer out. Now it's windy. It'd be perfect. The weather's not too bad. It's windy.